I'll be showing you how to make a simple homepage to your website using Wix. To show y'all what I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to recreate this page right here. Very simple, just adding photographs, editing text, and we'll be working on the menu. Okay, so first off, you're going to go to wix.com. Your page should look like this. If you don't have an account, you'll click here to get started, and if you do have an account, you'll just sign in like I'm about to. So if you're logging in, you'll be brought to a page like this, but if you are making a new account, you should be brought to a page that looks more like this. So to start your new website, we're just going to go over here and click Create Site. For this site, we will be making a higher education teacher website, so I will use the portfolio and CV option. I'll go here and I'll click Choose Template. Okay, so Wix has a variety of different templates you can use. Some more creative or colorful than others. Today I'm just going to show you how to use a basic template. So we'll go here to blank templates and we'll use this minimalist layout. So you'll already see it's laid out very similar to my website that I've already created right here. But I'll show y'all how to add colors and do a couple of other things. So we'll first start off with the menu. So there's two options to edit just about anything in this program. You can double click it, or you can go over here to the sidebar and click. So this is your menu that you have up there. You'll see home, about, gallery, and contact. For what we're doing today, we will need a home page, a teaching philosophy page, a resume page, an artist statement page, and a portfolio page. So we'll start off by showing you how to rename. So if you already have a page that you want to add a different name to, like this about page, you just double click on it and you can type in the name you need. So this will be our teaching philosophy page. So say that you have pages on here that you don't want to use, you just click on them, click the three dots, and go down to delete. So, oh no, now we're left with only 2 pages. But don't worry, that's easily fixable. Just go down here and click add page, and do the same as earlier. If you'd like these in different order, it's very easy to fix that. You can just drag and drop. Of course, you'll want your home page to say at the top. So that's all there is to getting your basic menu set up. Now we'll go over here to the name of the site. Since this is a teaching site, one that you would be giving to people who would be giving you an interview, I'm just going to use my name. So you should be able to double click and type in your name. Once you've got your name typed in, if you'd like to edit the font, you just highlight your name and you go down here to font. For my website specifically, I chose Lulu Clean. I just like it. It's a nice simple font. Once we have that there, you just click X and you can edit this by dragging, make it horizontally completely, partially vertical. I'm probably going to line mine up with the bottom of mine with my menu, so I'm just going to drag this down here. And another great thing about Wix is that they have these guidelines, so if you want to make sure something's lined up perfectly, you're really easily able to do that. So now that I have those where I want them, I'm just going to drag this up so that my header is a little bit smaller and kind of lines more with my objects. Now if you want to go in and add some color to the heading, you just click on this line, and where it says change header design, you can click on that. So there's tons of options whether you want to go with no color or a faint color over it. I'm going to go down here to one of these that's already created. Let's go with this one. So say you get your design on there and you don't necessarily like the color of it, you can go down here to customize design, color, fill, and opacity. You can change the opacity, or you can click over here to change the color. So there's a variety of options already available, but if you'd like to go in and make your own, you just click add colors and you can go down here and play around with it. If you'd like to choose a color from up here, you just click on it. Okay, so say I like that, we're good to go. I'm just going to click the X over here. I'm actually going to stretch this out a little bit to give some more room. Okay, so for text on your actual page, you just do the same as you did earlier for the title. You will just double click. And the same as earlier, if you would like to change your font, you can just go up here and click font, choose the different. You can also play around with the size of your font here. So if I want to make it bigger or smaller, or you can go and just type the numbers in. You can also play around with italicizing, bold, and the color. So I'm going to go for a nice orange because orange is one of my favorite colors. Say I want to go right there. Okay, I'll click add and that will be my color. You can also see that the color I added earlier for my header is here as well. So that way you can keep the color theming across your website the same. Now for the exciting part, I'm going to show you how to add in a photo. So with Wix, you will use something called the Wix Pro Gallery. It's pretty simple. Instead of uploading your photo directly to the box on your page, you will be uploading it to a gallery first and then putting it into your page. This works well if you want to use a photo multiple times across your website. So to get to that, you just double click, or you can click Media Manager. Go over here to Media Manager again, and you'll want to delete these two that are already selected because those aren't the photographs you want on your website. Once those are deleted, you just go over here to Add Media and click Image. As you can see, I have no files uploaded, so I will click here to Upload Media, and I will be uploading something off of my computer. So I will click over here. You have a variety of options though to upload from other websites you might already have. So since I want this website to express myself a little bit, but also my creative side, I am going with this collage self-portrait of myself. After it's uploaded to the gallery, you can go in and edit this photo, whether that's cropping, you can do different adjustments, different filters, etc. I just want to crop mine because I want mine to be more of rectangular shape than a square shape. So I'm going to just crop this right here. And perfect. So I'll save that. And now it's good to go. So I will click add to page, and it should show up on my website right there. So if you noticed in my earlier website, I did not have this. If you want to delete an object off of your page, you just click on it and you can right click and delete, or you can just hit delete on your keyboard. Since that frees up space, I'm going to drag my photo up to the top of my page. Okay, last but not least, I'm going to go back to the menu and show you how to edit the design of it. So earlier we were using the Manage Media tool, but right now we're going to use the Design tool. So you just click on this and it will show you a variety of different menu options. And just like any other element on your page, you can go in and customize that. So say that I like this menu as it is, but I want it in a different font. You just click the customize button and edit which part of that you'd like. You can also edit the color, you can edit the corners, shadows, etc. So I'm going to go down here. I'm going to choose a new font. I like this font, so I think I'm going to go with that. Okay, and there you have it. You've got your simple homepage started and ready to go. If you'd like to see what it'll look like online, you just click this preview button right here, and you'll be given a short preview of what that would look like. And then once we go on to add other pages to your website, you'll be able to click on these and see those as well and how your website will interact. And like always, please be sure to save. Autosave is on this, but it does not always work. So constantly be saving your work so that you don't fall behind. Good luck on your website.